Hey everyone, today we're gonna make some short rib, some French fries, and I got some salad that I could use as well. So I got the short rib out. Let's turn on the pan, get that warm, and also let's pull out the. I'm gonna use the air fryer. Just recently got one of these, first time, and honestly, for $50, this is a great buy. Just makes making French fries so much easier. So I do recommend it. So I got both things heating up. I'm gonna put this to preheat. Yeah, because this is probably gonna take the longest. So let's get peeling these potatoes already. Potato peelers right here. So I like to peel the top part right there, and then peel that one right there too. And then all you need to do is this. Once you like peel the top part, it gives you something to hold on to. So yeah, it makes it a lot easier. There you go. And for the next one, so again, peel the top, and then it makes it so much easier to peel the rest of it. Now I'm gonna show you guys a cool trick with this potato peeler. If you didn't know, well, you're about to learn. Cool little thing. So you see these little eyes right here that don't come off? There should be this thing on your potato peeler on the edge. You can actually use that, and it scoops out those eyes. See? So very effective. I'm actually going to turn this down a little bit because I want to get that started first. Well, see, maybe I can just keep it lower. See, pulled out all the little eyes right there. Easy. Most potato peelers should have that. Okay, throw this away. Some peels got on the floor. I'm gonna have to Swiffer up later. Gotta wash these dishes soon too. Okay, let's pull out a cutting board and wash those potatoes and get them sliced up into French fries. Because honestly, making French fries has never been easier using an air fryer. I made a video on carne asada fries and I fried them the old-fashioned way. They were tasty. They were really good. You know, there's no complaints there, but would have been a lot easier to use an air fryer. Yeah. Did I have an air fryer at the time? No. So it's just a recent investment. But I love it. Makes things a lot easier. And then you use less oil, save some more money. You know, I was just like, why do I need an air fryer if I got like a convection oven? But I mean, makes sense. Makes sense now. See, look, and it's already preheated. Your convection oven is not gonna preheat that fast. And then I got some oil from last time I fried up some potatoes. All I'm literally gonna do is throw these potatoes in here. Oh shoot, I forgot to take out that other basket from in there. Shake it around, get them coated in the oil. And you want to salt your fries afterwards. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull this out with tongs because this is gonna be super hot. Don't want to burn myself. Okay, French fries are ready. Gonna kind of separate them out with my hands. Way they got space to breathe. Super quick, super easy. Honestly, pretty easy to clean as well. Just leave the basket like soaking after it's cooled down a little bit. Now I like kind of layering them if you don't have any more space, layering them like if they're going vertical, put some horizontal, you know, that way there's plenty of airflow. And then it's cool because this one, like 10 minutes into it or halfway through the cooking process, it'll beep and it'll tell you, hey buddy, I need you to turn these fries around. Okay, so the fries is gonna be the thing that takes the longest, so we got that going. Now let's get the short rib going. Oh, you know what, just bought some butter. I'm gonna use some butter today. Don't need a lot of it, but yeah, I got, Jesus Christ, Costco, you ain't playing with these blocks of butter. That's ridiculous, bro. Come on. Is that necessary? You should divide this in half. Oh, I'll probably add rosemary too. There's like 2 knobs of butter right here. And some little bit of olive oil so it doesn't burn. Oh, these are gonna be some luscious short ribs. Turn this up. Put that away. Make sure I'm recording because I have that issue. Oh, it's recording, the red light's on. I shall wash this later. Need to turn this heat up. And you know what? I'm doing garlic. Garlic and butter. You can never go wrong with basting. Oh, I'll do rosemary as well. So I got my garlic there. Smash them. Makes it easier for the flavors to incorporate. There you go. Okay, let's add this short rib. Got these big old pieces on the side. You know what? Yeah, that'll be fine. I guess I don't need all of it. Can save this for tomorrow. I'll add the garlic in a second. Go. Excellent. All right, just throw that garlic in there. Gonna baste it. Got a wooden spoon because I don't want to baste it with anything else. Add some rosemary. No, you know what? Let me add some thyme. Garlic thyme. Be nice if I had a whole little thing of thyme, but oh well. Oh, I already seasoned the meat beforehand, so let that do its thing, get some color. Meanwhile, I wash these dishes. All right, so right now it's 3:36. I'm not gonna move anything, high heat. This is cooking. I'll turn the video back on once it's time to flip, or I'm gonna flip this. All right, see you in a bit. All right, we're back, and we're gonna flip these short ribs to see how they're looking. Oh yeah, plenty of caramelization on there. So the garlic's up top because I don't want them to burn. Put this one on this side and this one on this side. So it just fits nicer on the... Oh, and there's the garlic right there that's burnt. So I'm moving that out of the way. Gonna baste it. I'm not using a metal spoon because, you know, because it'll scratch this. So I'm gonna be using a wooden spoon. Again, I don't want these garlics to burn because then it's just going to give a bitter taste. You see how they curled up? A way to prevent that from happening is if you have your knife or like a kitchen shears. Before you cook it, cut it right here. Cut it right here as well. See how it just flattens out? So just a little pro tip. Lays out much nicer. That way all parts of the bottom have contact with the bottom of the pan. Turn down this heat. Just gonna let the residual heat do the rest now. French fries will be ready in about 10 minutes, which is good because this needs to rest for a little bit. So, oh yeah, it didn't beep. But see how they're ready? They already got that nice color on them. So I just literally just shake them up. And there you go. You pop them back in there. All right, we will see you in a little bit when those fries are ready. I'm actually gonna pull these off the heat and let them rest on a cutting board. Let's see. Are they good on the bottom? Yeah, they're good. You don't want to cut into your meat right away because then all the juices will, you know, just flow out. Even though this ain't a thick steak, but still, give it some time to rest. And there we have it. We got our short rib. And we'll have our French fries in a little bit. All right, I'll see you guys in about 8 minutes. All right, we're back. I honestly think these French fries are ready to go. So let me actually move this out of the way real quick because I want to have a place to, a landing spot for my French fries. I'm gonna put them right here. A little paper towel to soak up any of that minimal excess oil because, you know, it doesn't give you a lot of oil. And some salt. Well, I'm using this meat seasoning that I like to add to the fries, kind of similar to Lori's. Yeah, good thing I used that paper towel. And immediately salt. There you go. Salt them, shake them a little bit. And I'm gonna give them one more pass. And there you go. You got your French fries and your short rib. Let's get a quick thumbnail. Look at that. Fire. Okay, turn this off. And let's try a little bite. Fork, knife. Okay, let's cut this piece right here. By now it should be cool. A1. Oh, the butter gave it some nice richness. French fries, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. Look at that. Mmm. Ooh. Hot, but good. All right, there you have it. Short ribs and French fries, guys. Enjoy your day. Take care.